Let's begin by sitting up nice and tall, spine erect, chest open, shoulders relaxed. And let's start with neck rotations. Do these movements very slowly and mindfully. Inhale, look up. Exhale, down, chin to the chest. Inhale, head up. Exhale, down, chin to the chest. Focusing on your breath. Inhale, head up. Exhale, down, chin to the chest. And now let's turn side to side. Inhale to the right and exhale to the left. You can do this at your own pace. Do it a couple of times while breathing deeply. Inhale right and exhale left, giving complete range of motion to the neck. And then let's do clockwise rotation of the head. Visualize as if you're drawing big circles with your nose. Make long, slow clockwise rotations. Maybe 4 to 5 times in this direction, breathing deeply. Enjoying this movement. And then again, some 4 to 5 times in anti-clockwise direction. All the while taking long, slow, deep breaths and doing it at your own pace. And now let's take our hand and place it on the side of the head and pull it to the right, stretching the side of your neck and also the top of your shoulder. And let's do it on the other side too. Please be very gentle. Long, slow, deep breaths here. And let's place our hand at the top of our head and push the neck down, tucking the chin into the chest, gently exerting a little bit of pressure here. Breathing deeply. And now the other way too, pushing the neck back by placing the hands under the chin, and lifting your head up as high as you can. Breathe. Good job. And now let's begin to stretch our shoulders too a little bit. Place your left hand by the side of your body and sweep your right arm up and to the side, opening your chest. Exhale, place the right hand down, and in one same motion sweep the left arm open. Do this a couple of times, making big half circles with the hand, rotating the chest open, taking deep breaths here. Once you're done, let's do a couple of gentle twists. Twisting to the right, keeping the spine erect and chest open. Placing one hand on the knee and the other hand behind your body. And repeating the same thing on the other side. Turn to face the side of your hand that is behind your body. Breathe. Long, slow, deep breaths here. One more time doing this twist, making sure your spine is erect and your chest is open. Really turn to look over and above your shoulders. And then taking your left hand behind your back, right hand catching hold of the left elbow and pulling the hand behind, opening your chest and rolling your shoulder blades together. Sit up really nice and tall as you're doing this and take long, slow, deep breaths here. Breathe. Slowly release. Let's do it on the other side. Taking the right hand back and pulling the right elbow with the left hand, opening your chest, keeping your spine erect, lifting your chin up. Breathing here a couple of times. This really helps in correcting our posture, that relieving that rounded upper back that we develop because of excessive mobile usage or working on the computers. And once you're done, slowly come to all fours, keeping your palms shoulder width apart, knees hip width apart. And let's do gentle spinal movements. As you inhale, lift your head up, drop your belly down. And as you exhale, tuck your head in and lift the belly up. Inhale, head up, belly down. Exhale, head down, belly up, exaggerating the movement of the spine here. Inhale, head up, belly down. Exhale, head down, belly up. Couple of more times at your own pace. Inhale, head up, belly down. Exhale, head down, belly up. And slowly coming back into all fours and opening your right arm up to the sky. And as you exhale, taking the right arm underneath your left arm, dropping the left elbow down and resting your right cheek on the mat, feeling the stretch between your shoulder blades, threading the needle. Coming back to all fours, let's do it on the left side. Inhale, open your arm, left arm up towards the sky. Exhale, take it beneath your right arm and drop your right elbow down. Breathe. Long, slow, deep breaths here. Really feeling the stretch between your shoulder blades as you're doing this. Maybe you can choose to do it a couple of more times. And now coming back to kneel on the mat, hip away from your heels, interlocking your fingers behind your body. Stretch your arms down and slowly exhale. Drop your head down and move the hand away from your body. Deep breaths here. Let's do it one more time. Coming to kneel up high, interlocking your fingers, moving the hand away from the body. Exhale, bend down, take your forehead towards the mat. Feeling the stretch between your shoulder blades and also your neck here. Breathe. And slowly coming up, let's do a little bit of puppy pose here. Coming back to all fours, making sure your knee is above, your hip is above your knee. Slowly extend your arms out and try to take your chin down towards the mat, sinking your chest down. Keeping your elbows straight, try to walk your hands as far away as possible. Breathe deeply here. Feel the stretch on your upper back, your chest opening. Even along your upper arms, you will be feeling the stretch. And slowly push your hip back down on your heels and settle down in child's pose here. Long, slow, deep breaths. And from here, let's work a little bit more on our shoulders. Stretching one hand and sweeping it under the other arm, entwining it and lifting both the elbows high up as you inhale and exhale, bring it down. Inhale up, exhale down. Couple of more times. Inhale up. This will really help stretch your shoulders, relieve any tension in your neck. Exhale down and release and take the arms the other way and repeat the same. The hand which was up should be now down below. Couple of more times. Inhale up, exhale elbows down, inhale elbows up, exhale elbows down. Very good job. Do these movements slowly and mindfully at your own pace. And once you're done, slowly come to lie down on your belly, keeping your feet hip width apart, toes flat. Place your forearms parallel to one another, elbows and shoulders on the same line. Inhale, lift your head up, chest up, relax your shoulders, take it away from your ears. And gently turn to the right, back to center, to the left, and back to center. Slow movements again, right and back to center, left and back to center. All the while keeping your chest lifted and your shoulders relaxed. Do this a couple of more times. Very gentle twist and a back bend. Breathe. And once you're done, slowly lie down on the mat. Make a pillow of your palms. Rest your cheek on your palm. Relax here. Relaxing your neck, shoulders, your entire back. And stay here for as long as you need. Thank you for practicing with me today.